back. Today I'm going to be changing the oil on this 2015 Porsche Macan S. Okay, so in order to remove this engine liner, we use this trim remover and this star tool. We use this for the two trim pieces, obviously, trim kit removal, yeah, okay, and star tool for these 16 screwy thingies. I would also like to mention it is a pain in the butt to get some of these Porsche parts. They don't carry all of these at your local auto supply store. You have to have them ordered. We had to order these washers and a drain plug, as well as this iCar Soft multi-system car diagnostic tool. If you take the car in to Porsche to have them reset the systems after you're done, they usually charge you, so we decided to go ahead and get one of these since you can use them for different cars, and it's a handy tool to have. All the details on the products that we're using will be in the description box below, so as always, check there, and we're ready to get started. Oil cap remover. This is a 36 millimeter. This also has to be capped. In order to remove the drain plug, we also are going to use this 8 millimeter hexi socket. We're going to open up the oil cap here. See this piece right here? Lubricate a new O-ring with oil prior to screwing the cap back on. We've got the Mobile One here. We're going to use 8.5 quarts of the Mobile One 0W40 European car formula. The oil capacity for this engine size is about 8.7 quarts. We're going to start off with just adding about 8.25 quarts because it's a lot easier to add oil than it is to drain. According to the system, the engine oil level is perfect. Oil change now. I'm going to reset the oil change light with this iCar Soft diagnostic tool. All I have to do is plug it in. Follow that format right there. We'll put the year, the month, and then the date. Turn it off. Ready? It's gone. In 1 year. Thank you so much for watching my oil change video on this Porsche Macan S 2015 edition. Don't forget to check the description box down below for product details and additional information, and be on the lookout for more videos. See you next time.